A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to cover the next example of state space analysis model. So this is the generalized equation which is given to you as a numerical, that is y triple dash t plus 3 double dash t plus 2y dash t plus u y t is equal to 3 rt. So now here you can get that the maximum derivative value is 3. 3 times your variable yt is got derivative. So maximum power of derivative is 3. So we have to obtain state variable model for system. So here if we have 3 maximum derivative of given value, so we are going to get 3 variables. Therefore here highest degree of differentiation is 3. So we will use 3 state variables. So what will be the variables? x1t, x2t and x3t. x3t. Okay. For the analysis of state variable model, you have to find your state equation as well as your output state variable equation. Okay, both the equations you have to find. So we let all three values x1t, x2t, x3t. So now initially we'll start from your yt. Let y of t will be equal to x1t, your first variable. Okay. So now derivate this y1 dash y dash t. So we'll get x1 dash t, and this variable is maximally derivative to 1 degree. So we'll substitute it here as x2t. Now again derivate x y dash t. So we'll get y double dash t, which will be equal to x2 dash t. Again this will be modified derivative up to next stage. But this is the highest degree for derivative this variable. So we'll substitute it here x3 t. So again derivative this, we get y triple dash t is equal to x3 dash t. We'll substitute all the values of yt, y dash t, y double dash t and y triple dash t in terms of x1, x2, x3 and x3 dash. Now take the given equation to you, that is y double dash t, this equation. So keeping everything at right hand side, shift everything to right hand side, leaving y triple dash t at left hand side. Now substitute here wherever you find y triple dash t, wherever you find y, substitute here x. So y triple dash t is equal to x3 dash t and yt is equal to your x1t, your y dash t is equal to x2t and y double dash t is equal to x3t, and rt will remain same. So this is the modified equation. Now you have to form the matrix. x3t consists of all three values, that is x1 in left hand side we will write matrix of x1 dash t, x2 dash t, x3 dash t, which is equal to matrix. यहाँ पे किसकी वैल्यू आएगी? a की, जो आप कांस्टेंट कंसीडर करोगे. ठीक है. और दिस विल बी योर ऑल द x1, x2, x3 जो भी आपने लेट की हुई थी, प्लस जो भी आप यहाँ पे b की वैल्यू लोगे एंड लास्ट में r ऑफ t. अब ये वैल्यूज आपने कैसे कंसीडर की? x1 डैश t की वैल्यू आपने चेक करी, x1 डैश t इज इक्वल टू x2t. तो यहाँ पे कोई x2t का वेरिएबल x1t का वेरिएबल नहीं है, तो x1t की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे? 0, और x2t का वैल्यू है तो उसका वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 1. x3t का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है तो अगेन इट इज 0. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी द नेक्स्ट इज x2 dash t. So now see the equation of x2t, तो which is equal to x3t only. तो x1t भी 0 हो जाएगा, x2t भी 0 हो जाएगा, x3t की 1 वैल्यू हो जाएगी. in terms of x3 dash t, the x1t is equal to -4. So we'll substitute here -4, x2t की वैल्यू -2 and x3t की -3. So this matrix will form in this term. Here we can see in the first value x1t there is no r of t also, and in terms of x2t there is not r of t, but in this equation last we have 3. So we'll substitute 0, 0, 3. So this is known as input state value. Okay. Now similarly you have to find the output state value also. So for output state, y of t is equal to c of xt plus d of ut. This is a generalized equation. So now substitute y of t is equal to सी की जगह क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ, तो y ऑफ t का आपका जनरलाइज इक्वेशन ये था विच इज इक्वल टू x1t। तो यहाँ पे आपने लिख लिया x1t, x2t, x3t, इन तीनों की टर्म्स में आपको निकालना है। बट इस इक्वेशन में सिर्फ किसकी वैल्यू है आपके पास, x1t की, ना आपके पास x2t है, ना x3t है, ना ही r ऑफ t, वो सब क्या हो जाएगा आपका जीरो। तो 1 1 0 0, दिस इज द आउटपुट स्टेट वेरिएबल मॉडल। सो जर्नलाइज इसको आप क्या बोलोगे, आपने स्टेट वेरिएबल मॉडल ऑफ सिस्टम आपने निकाल दिया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।